što vam je gužva na aerodrom, a i kroz zetu kolona. Morate to riješiti. I vidim, gori vam po državi. Dole nam nije reka da nemate helikoptera u državu. Andrijana se žalila da nema vode da se istušira u Sutomor. A ja sam evo doša i račun da vi donesem.
Račun? Vidi, imamo problem. Nismo mi dužni vama, no vi nama, i to ne pare, nego krv. Priča se da su vas izbačili iz Sirije.
A poglavlje 203?
A Crnogorci imaju obraz da sačuvaju.
Biraj riječi pažljivo, Crnogorče. Možda budu tvoje zadnje na slobodi.
It's 15 years to the day when a small town in Murino, Montenegro changed forever. NATO's campaign against Yugoslavia to bring down this village of just 1,000 people. This small bridge was hit. Only 3 young children were playing on it. 6 people in total were killed, including a boy named Miroslav and 2 young cousins who had gone to the store to buy ingredients to bake a cake for the May Day holidays. This is Miroslav. I met his family, who are still reeling with devastation over the loss of their son. This image I'm about to show you is graphic, so please use your discretion if you don't want to see it. Miroslav's family keeps this photo among many others in their home. They will never forget how their son became NATO's collateral damage. But let's not forget, he is just one of many victims of a geopolitical policy that is not changing, but building and spreading across the globe.
ULEX mission is a fiasco. If you look at what happened today, what's happening today in Kosovo, 15 years later, 7,000 Serbs have been killed. Minorities are being chased from their villages, and it's a mafia state. It was an invention by NATO, by the Americans in Europe. It destroyed the relationships between different nations living over there, and it actually made things worse. And the problem is it's not finished.
Many other civilian targets were hit, and when I met families in Murina, most of them couldn't fathom why the alliance never apologized. Why the alliance never apologized.
And what happened to these children in Marino is just a scandal. They didn't even get a sorry or even a payment for what happened, and they call it a collateral damage.
Hoće račun da mu platimo.
Ovo je protivustavno. Zvaću 100 tebera.
Hoćeš račun? Bačiću ti račun dolje pa ga dofati.
Niko ne prijeti glasniku moćnog NATO pakta.
Bačali ste bombe i uranijum po našim gradovima i to vrlo skoro. Pobili ste djecu, oteli nam Kosovo, zatrovali zemlju vašim bludom i razvratom. O, ja biram svoje riječi pažljivo, natovče. Možda si i ti trebao da paziš.
Ovo nije u skladu sa EU integracijama.
Zabolje me.
This is Sparta!
Hoćemo li u NATO, junaci? Na NATO!